My Genius Hour project was about fixing the projector, and this video will describe the process and the big problems that could have been the reason for it not to work. This projector is an NP-VE281X portable projector made by the company NEC. The projector on the outside, or the case, is fine, besides, in the front right corner, what appears to be an area where it has landed if it has been dropped. When I first got it and looked inside, I looked around and found all the screws holding down the PCB board, or the motherboard. When all the screws were removed, and the PCB board as well, it was important to find what could be broken. If there was a broken piece, then it would be unfixable, but luckily everything was intact. That afternoon, my father's friend, let's call him Stan, came over. What was important about him, that is, his profession is working on electronics. He showed me how continuity works, or the flow of electricity through electronics. The first thing with this that we tested for continuity was the light, because it stood out and it had wires that could be detached to get to the prongs of the light. If electricity would go through it, it would stop making a ring, but if it doesn't, it would continue to make that ring. As it continued to ring, we took out the light to find the problem. From the base to the top of the light, the glass was gone. With the problem, or maybe the problem found, we got a replacement light and tested it out. It worked. The projector would turn on and it would have the basic screen. While working with this projector, I found that it had a lot more than what was on the surface. Removing the plastic cover that was underneath the motherboard revealed a tight bundle of items that looked like pieces that would bring power to all the parts in the projector. Looking in it, there was no way to tell if anything was broken, and if there was, it would pose a big problem to its function. But as it says, there wasn't. Another thing is a colored wheel that would be in front of the light that would cause some problems. The wheel, when turning on, would spin and make a buzz and force the system to turn off. For me to figure out why, I had to go to the manual and download it offline. When reading through it, I found the reason why. On page III, or 3, it states not to start it up at an angle greater than 5 degrees. But often how I started it was propping it up to aim it at a wall. So it took me a while to figure that out. So now, it may have been hard to tell, but there is a lesson to be found. What could have been taken out of this, and it's okay to get help from others. And I needed to. Or, do not worry about a problem. Fix it. What I want you to do is type down in the comments of this video a lesson you could take out of this video and one thing you could put that lesson into. I would hope to see a bunch of comments. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.